Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your iPhone 17 Pro. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the OtterBox Defender Pro series case for your 17 Pro. You can get this case from their website. I'll have the links there. OtterBox is known for their heavy duty cases, so we're going to check this one out. Like we normally do in my reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? Can you wireless charge? Is there MagSafe on this case? Also, does it have bulk? The overall fit? You know, how easy it is to install? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. Now, the one thing you can look at the box, it's not a very big box. They went away from giving you the belt clip. You actually have to ask. There might be a receipt in here or something to scan to get a free belt clip, so they don't just include it with your case anymore, which is okay because I never really used a belt clip. But when you pick it up, you may have to order it separately. But let's get into it. Nice packaging from them. It says that it's made from recycled material on the box. 7-time tested, military standard, but you know, the box is what it is. Bam. So you have that grip on the back and the sides. It is a 3-piece case. So there you go. It says if you want a free belt clip, you can scan that. And then it has instructions. But here's the case. Oh, it has a camera button this year. Not a camera cutout. This back is soft material too. That way you don't scratch up your phone. Scratch Gate 2025. Bam. I like now for me, it's not a heavy case anymore. It's not as bulky as it used to be. Really not a heavy case, but how you want to install it is you can start anywhere you can get a grip. You just want to take this rubber piece off all the way around. Take your time. And it's going to come off. Now, most people are like, oh, you can put the phone in there. No, there's little arrows here, and a couple of spots up here that you want to take apart. So, and you just get your nail underneath there, and then bam. And then what you want to do is put your phone. I have my phone off because trying to install this with it on is really, and then you know where it goes to because the camera cut out there. And then you kind of just want to work it around until you hear everything snap back in place. And there you go. You have it in place there. Pretty good. Then what you want to do is take this piece and kind of work it around until you have it all the way in there. Now, you might even want to start off with the camera cutout too. Maybe not. You know, get that going. The power button you want in there too. It's giving me trouble right now. Start at the top then. But the power button here goes into the power button there. So you want to just make sure you have that over enough. Just, you kind of work it around the whole phone. And just make sure it's fitting in there good. And there you go. Look at that camera cut out. Let's turn the bad boy on. So that power button is nice and tactile. You have a little cutout for your charging port. Everything lines up. What y'all think about that charging port? Bam, let's just wait for this bad boy. Now, does it have bulk? Again, I mentioned earlier, it's not a heavy case, but you can see it adds some bulk to your phone. But look at the camera protection too. You have a lot. Could it be a little bit more precise cut out? Yes, but you have a lot of protection there. And then you have lip protection around the top and the bottom there. I mean, the top and the bottom. So when you place it down, you can actually probably maybe even get there. Look, see, you can get stuff underneath there too. So you have a lot of room. Let's see. And then, like I said, the power button is great. Vine rockers are nice and tactile. The action button works easy. Now, does the camera cutout work? Oh. Yes, the camera cutout button works. I mean, that's pretty good. So they have a camera cutout button. I like how some manufacturers are taking the time and actually making a button this year too. So, man. Now the overall fit is good. It's not going to come popping out because it's a 3-piece case. So if you drop your phone, you don't have to worry about it popping out the case because it is a 3-piece case. So not a big deal. Bam. Now the only thing we want to test out is how strong this magnet is on this case, and can you wireless charge? Yes, you can wireless charge with no problem. Now the magnet, I don't know. Let's see. Let's try something else. Is it the strongest? I'm gonna say no, but it's not bad. You don't buy the OtterBox cases for a strong magnet. I mean, it's pretty doable. Again, unless you live on a country road somewhere, and you might need a new road though. But is it one of the strongest ones that I tried, like the mouse case or even the speeding case that I reviewed, which I haven't dropped the video on yet? No. But, I mean, for me, what I use MagSafe for, I think it's pretty good. It could be stronger, y'all. It could be. You have the little OtterBox logo there. I'm messing up the phone. I love the grip that you get on this phone, too. So, the grip is really good. So, for me, it checks off some boxes. And it has some opportunities. Yes, the camera cutout could be better there. It could have a stronger magnet, but overall, I like the camera button. The power button is nice and tactile. Everything lines up at the bottom. You have the little charging port cover there. The buttons on this side work great. I keep on hitting the camera button like crazy. But so overall, it is a nice fitting case for your phone. Look, I just keep on hitting it. If y'all want to pick this case up, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon or their website. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 17 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at @ForwardsReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.